Now I can also compile a list by assessments. So how this works, I'm going to press by assessment, and this is kind of just left over from the last search. I'm going to press show all if I can't see everything. I'm going to show all my assessments, and I'm going to select all my students. So I'm going to press the little boxes above the little check marks for all my students. That clears all those boxes. Now with the box with the check at the top, I'm going to press it again basically, and it selects all my students. So I'm going to select all my students, and I'm going to select all the assessments by pressing the little boxes above the check boxes. Selects them all, and I'm going to submit this. What this will show now is each assessment. So nonfiction, language arts, nonfiction, with everyone's marks. Now I don't have anything in here because I didn't want to spend the time to fill in all their marks. But you see it would be nonfiction report, any marks and comments, my reading records, any comments, my writing assessments. So it just puts them all together. And then it goes into mathematics. It would show, this one has all the marks in. My bar graph, so I can quickly look at all the marks. So it basically puts in the assessments and then all the students for those assessments. So I'm going to go back home. I'm going to go by assessment again. This time I'm going to narrow the search a little bit. I'm going to clear all of the selections for my students by pressing those boxes at the top there above the check marks. And I'm going to press that one more, or no, then I'm going to select maybe just 2 students. And I'm going to refine my search here by refine assessment list, and I'm going to just do term 2 mathematics. So submit. So this is going to show, and I need to select these ones, so I'm just going to press the little box above them to select them. Now if I press submit, this is going to find, you'll see each of those assessments, bar graphs, math, multiplication, short division, and each of those students results in them. And so it just shows just basically all my math assessments just for these 2 students in particular. So if I wanted to maybe during parent-teacher interviews, I could, I'm going to go back to home here, I'm going to go back to I could do by student too, or by assessment, either one. Let's do by assessment. I'm going to check I need a bath. I'm going to show all. I'm going to select them all. And I'm going to submit. And this would show all the results for just Anita Bath in every assessment. Now I could do the same with by student. It's probably the best way. And submit. And it would show, this would show each student and all their marks. So this just shows Anita Bath. So I could kind of focus maybe this on I'll put it on an LCD, show it on the LCD, and we can talk about some of these during parent-teacher interviews.